Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse. And today I'm gonna start by calling you guys annoying because in the last video I was gluing my monitor to a VESA stand, and in the comments there were multiple suggestions why I didn't just screw it in, put some bolts in and stuff, and to be quite honest, I never even thought of that, but I have now. I have fixed it, so yeah, I have added 4 bolts. It's still glued in, and I messed up. I was gonna clean this with cloth. I gotten it dirty in the basement while doing this. I forgot. I added some more glue, and it isn't completely dry yet. So yeah, I screwed up a little bit. But yeah, just telling you that this has become even better. I haven't actually done the satisfying part of putting all the clips back on. There. I'm not entirely sure what this video is going to be about. I'm actually planning that we're going to go outside and do some work. So let me show what I was up to before I read the comments. Oh, sorry. First of all, it's a wonderful day. The solar panels agrees with me. There is sun from a clear sky. I have a lot of crap here. I have my trailer over here that is full of stuff that I want to get rid of. So one of my plans is to drive to the recycling center, get rid of some of all of this stuff. And I was actually thinking of bringing you along. We had this door, also needs to go onto the trailer, and I think that's gonna be about it for the trailer. It's gonna be full at that point, so yeah, let me get to it. Okay, the camcorder needs a bit of a break to recharge, so I'm about ready to go. I should probably log up here. It's not as if it's dangerous or anything. Nobody does anything around here. But let's just be safe. Let's see. I need my driver's license. Have that. Yeah. We do that even though we never get stuck. I have had my driver's license since I was 18, and I have never been stopped yet. Talking of stopped, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be working. Go out and work. Okay, we need to activate it again. It has it will boot and it will ask for a password. Come on. Anytime soon. Da, 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 da. Yes, thank you. Come on. Enter pin.
Enter pin.
One, 2, 3, 4. Naturally. And mow and okay.
Resuming work.
Resuming work. Okay. I have prepared the trailer out here. Turned the car around, mounted the trailer, strapped everything down ish. I could do one more. It's fine. Yeah, this is very normal here in Denmark to have a trailer like this. Have your normal car, and then you have one of those thingies to mount a trailer to your car, and then you have a trailer for your crap. And that is because this is a diesel car, and a diesel car is very expensive in Denmark. Not to buy, but like the road tax. So this one is about 7,000 Danish kroners, meaning that just to have it is over $1,000 euros a year. The trailer doesn't cost anything because it's not supposed to be used for more than 350 kilograms. So if I wanted another car, I would have to first pay for another car. I would have to pay the insurance of another car or a van or a truck or whatever anyone would have. So this is the cheap ninja trick. Have a normal car and just have a trailer for it. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we are ready to go. Shouldn't be driving with just one hand. Let's see if it doesn't work. I should also have checked the lights on the trailer, but it is daytime and yeah, we're just gonna go. Okay, we're on the road. This guy ahead of me, he is in no hurry whatsoever, so it's fine for filming a little bit. I can manage. Yeah, I'm very happy with this vehicle. It's a Seat. It's a Spanish car. It's in the Volkswagen, Porsche, Skoda, and some other car. They have like a family where they share a lot of stuff, and it's really economic. I have driven to my little brother in Copenhagen or near Copenhagen, and on a long trip like that, and being diesel, I have been able to drive 32 kilometers per liter of diesel, and that is really good. So on shorter trips like this, it doesn't do as well, but just on a normal trip to work, I have to drive like a maniac to get it under 25 kilometers per liter. Sometimes that happens, but most of the time it does not, and I'm able to go like 28 kilometers per liter on a normal day. I have like 55 kilometer one way and like 55 kilometer the other way, so it's not that long of a trip. So yeah, we are on the road again. Okay, now we're going even slower. We picked out ourselves we found a little queue here. Someone is moving some farming equipment, and there's a bicyclist. That is very normal here. Denmark is flat, very flat. I think the highest point is around 180 meters. So it's a very nice place to be bicycling. There's never any hills that are too bad. I'm very amused about that because my house in Portugal, the highest point on my land is like 302 meters high, so it's higher than any point in Denmark. So very amusing, and guess we can go now. So a little bit more, some tractor or harvester or something up here. Okay, it's a harvester, or is that called a combiner or something? In Danish it's called a majtasker. Yeah, you don't need to know that, but it is. I think we can maybe get a glimpse of it. Not really. And now it has to. Oh, action-packed. It has to. It's kind of wide, so this mobile home thing, trailer, apparently he thought it was dangerous and stopped. So yeah, on the road. It does look nice here, some of it. We have had some government, what do you call that, effort to get the insects back. Everybody has been noticing that the front windshield of cars has become very clean over the last many years, and that is because there's less insects than there used to be. So a lot have been done to kind of give the insects better living conditions, which includes having whole fields full of flowers and stuff, and not maintaining the side of the road as much because a lot of insects live there. Oh, now we can see the farming equipment up here. It's a Klaus. I think it's a German brand, if I'm not mistaken. Not entirely sure though. My grand knowledge of farming equipment is so much limited. Somewhat limited, I guess it's called. So, yeah. On his way to the job. We are in no hurry. We're almost there, so it doesn't matter. I have time to waste, and now I'm wasting yours as well. Gotcha. Okay, we're here. I need to go get rid of I had some cuttings from my hinge trimming, so I'm gonna park over here and I'm just gonna take those bags and get rid of them. I'm kind of out of the way here. So there's all these different containers for different stuff that you can drive up to, and then you can get rid of your stuff, and then you can take another round at the recycling center and get to another we need to go over there afterwards. I see windows and doors with glass, and there's another one without glass. So yeah, just a second. So those two bags needs to go over there, and they will make them into compost. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Don't need this green stuff here. I'm not gonna drive very fast around here. So my ugly door needs to go in there together with all the ugly windows, which is also going in there. If I had refrigerators, they needed to go in there. So yeah, cool. Okay, all my windows are out of here. My ugly door. Sometimes there's some good finds in here, but you're really not supposed to take it. So yeah, we need to move on, see where everything else goes. Okay, so my trailer is empty, but they also have all of this stuff where you can pick yourself some new trash if you need anything. If I had something that I thought would be too valuable to someone else, you can put it in here and someone else can take it. That is, for example, a nice piece, but I don't think I need more trash, really. But it's kind of cool. I do wonder what that is. But yeah, new, very old TV, satellite dish of some sort. Yeah, this is kind of cool, right? More stuff. A new sink, anyone? It's actually not that bad looking. So. Or hockey and badminton. Yeah. So we're good to go. All of this is free to use. If you live around here, this is paid through the taxes, the taxes in this area, your house tax and stuff. So no, there is some limit. I've never reached them in any way, sort of stuff. It's only for private people. If you come and your car and trailer looks like a company thing, well, you get some annoying questions, and they might not let you dump your stuff in there. But yeah, it's a very nice service. I know a lot of other places you have to pay to get rid of your stuff. We don't do that. We get it over the taxes. So yeah, tax benefits. So going back now. Okay, we're back home, and it is a good day today. Temperature is like 28 degrees Celsius in the pool, so enjoying that. Yeah, in my last video I talked about that. I think I might have been moaning a little bit too much in some of the videos, and a lot of you guys said in the comments, thank you very much, that you enjoyed me as I was, and but I can recognize that I might be downplaying a lot of stuff a little bit too much, just because that's what we do here in Denmark. Here you don't share if you're rich and famous or something like that. You downplay it. the goal is to be average. So yeah, I have nothing to moan about. Well, that should... Let's see if I have anything to moan about. No, there are still energy drinks on call, so no moaning is necessary. And it should be about... Oh, I can't read that. 6 degrees. So yeah, stop moaning and get yourself a cold Lidl energy drink. Okay, so I think that's where I'm gonna end the video. So why don't I film myself in the pool very much and film myself in the living room moaning instead? Well, yeah, my pool videos is on my OnlyFans. Oh, they're not. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Not sponsored at all. Bye bye.